Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider it, and don't forget about my Etsy channel or my Etsy shop, Just Mind Your Business. I will be adding some new stuff here in the next week or so. So I hope you check that out. All right. So this is from Diamondartgift. And they have sent me a couple items to show to everyone. And I just want to say thank you to them for sending me these items to share. I do appreciate it. And the first thing that I have is just this little cover minder. I thought it was cute. And it comes in this little plastic case, which I thought was pretty neat. And it's a little, if y'all can see, let me bring that down. All right, it is just it's called a glitter drop cover minder, and it is blue, and it does come in different colors, but I got the blue one, and it is $1.99 on Diamondartgift, and you can see it's got the strong neo magnets, so that's pretty neat, but I liked him. I thought he was cute. So the canvas that I got, let me just move that. Y'all might hear the boys in the background. They're playing under the desk. Seems like every time I go to make a video, that is their go-to spot to start playing. So this is a poured glue, and it is a pretty big one. So I am just going to roll it backwards so that it will get some of these wrinkles out. Now it comes with a toolkit, which is 2 pink pens. It's got 2 things of wax in there, 2 long things of wax, and it has 2 trays. So, I guess they figure you need a friend to complete this one. So, the drills, looks like they have the DMC codes on the bags. That is awesome. Also has the weight. Also has the size of the kit. Also has the kit number. So, that is awesome. And as you can see, it is just black and whites and grays. Just, that's it. There's really no color to this kit. So, what is it that I got? It is an 80 by 40. It only has 16 colors, y'all. And it does have the DMC listed here. But this is what I got. And I am going to bring y'all up. I have been wanting this canvas for so long now. And I kept putting it off because, you know, I'd find something else. But I thought, you know what? I seen it. I came across this as I was searching. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. Now, this was $13.99. And like I said, it is a 40 by 80. And it is just black and whites and grays. And I think it's gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. And I am going to do this. And I think I am going to give it to my dad. So, it has got, the schematic is up on the very top left. And on the bottom right, the stick is really good. And even though it is a lot of dark colors, the drill field looks really good, y'all. It really does. And even with it being dark colors, the rendering is beautiful. You see, you've got the 3 crosses, and you've got Jesus in the front, and then you've got the 2 thieves in the back, and then you've got Jesus's face with his crown of thorns, and he is looking down on the people. And I just thought it was beautiful. I really thought it was beautiful. And like I said, I have wanted this for so long. And there's so many times I have started to get it, but then seen something else. And then this time I thought, nope, I'm going to get it. I am fixing to get it. So I got it. So like I said, this is a 80 by 40. And it is $13.99 on Diamondartgift. And it had 16 colors is all that's in this. It is DMC charted. And it is only letters. So no weird symbols or anything in it. And like I said, there's really no color. So I'll probably be tired of dull. I'll probably want to do something very colorful after I finish this. And then this was $13.99, and then the little cover minder was $1.99. So this is what I got from Diamondartgift. And right now they're running a buy 3, get 1 free sale. And they also have 70% off shipping right now. So, alright, y'all. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the canvas. Have any of y'all done this one? And if you have, let me know. And, yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I just want to say again, thank you to Diamondartgift for sending me these. I really and truly appreciate it. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.